Hi! Welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off scene descriptions in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, scroll down and then find the verbosity, then tap again. Then in this part, in the verbosity section, scroll down again and then go to this part, then tap the scene descriptions. Then in the scene descriptions, as you will see, there's a switch button located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap it to enable until it becomes green. When scene descriptions is enabled, output scenes and objects detected within images. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off scene descriptions in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!